Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. Then you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the display. Once you find it, tap on it, and here you should see the option called brightness. Select it, and right here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.